Friends, welcome back to my channel Cook It Up with Sujata. Today we are making khara mixture, which is very tasty side dish for all other snacks. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done. To make khara mixture, first we will make bundi. For that I have taken one bowl of besan. To this we will add, I am adding a pinch of salt. If you want, you can add chili powder also, but I am not adding in this. To the same bowl I have taken half measure water. We will add slowly first. We will make a thin batter. This slowly, so that there are no lumps. Just add little quantity each time. This is half bowl I have used now water. This is the required consistency. This free flowing consistency we need. So this much of water is still left. 1/4 cup is left. So we have used 3/4 cup of water. Now we will allow this to rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, now we will prepare batter for shave. So this again I have taken 1 cup. Now to this I will add a pinch of salt, and we will add water now. So to this first we will mix this salt properly and start adding water. This we will make a thick batter, like a chapati dough we will make this. Again add slowly, little by little water. Don't form the lumps. So I have used only half measure of water to this, and this is the dough consistency. This is same as the chapati dough. Now this is a bit sticky, so we will add little oil to this, just half teaspoon, and we will mix this properly, and we will keep this to rest for another 15 minutes. Bundi, for this the batter is ready now. You can see the consistency. Now our oil is also hot. I have taken this type of skimmer, or these we will get easily in the market to make bundis only. So now when the oil is hot, we will keep it on medium low flame and take one spoon of batter I am adding slowly. We will keep this in this now. You can see so nicely our bundis have formed. Now we will take out these bundis. You can see these have become little golden brown, and when we are dropping, you can see these are quite crispy. See, now we will start the second batch. Before starting the second batch, I have cleaned this both the sides. Now I will again the same way, I will take 1 spoon of the batter and drop this slowly. These I am frying on medium flame. Go on adjusting the temperature of the heat accordingly. Now you can see our second batch bundi also is ready to be taken out. We will take out this. Same way we will do the rest of the bundis too. So these many bundis we have made. Now we will make shave now. To make shave, I have taken this mold. We will put it in this. We will apply little bit oil so that our mold will be free flowing one. Now our dough for making shave is ready. You can see the consistency. It is just same as chapati, little bit softer. You should be able to make a ball of like this. So now we will add it into our mold. We will add it to this mold and fix it with this and start making our shape. Now in the same oil which is hot now, we will start making shape like this. I have kept on low heat. It doesn't take much time, just in 2 minutes. We will turn this now. You can make these shape little more finer ones also. You can, the another mold which we get with fine holes, the small holes, then you will get more thinner shape. According to your choice you can make. Now we will take this out. Take out this now. This hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will start the second batch also. These bubbles stop, then we can understand that the shaves have fried in the required consistency. You can see the bubbles have reduced. Now we will turn this. Just 2 minutes. Same way we will make the rest shave also. These many shave I have made. It is khara mixture. I have taken 1 ball of groundnut. This is putani, that is roasted gram. Some cashews, dry coconut. I have cut it. Slice this. This is some kadhi patta and red chilies, dry red chilies. It is hot. First we will fry. These are groundnuts. out. I'm adding the roasted gram also. We will fry these also properly. Some cashews, just a little bit. Dry coconut. And the curry leaves, just for 2 minutes. These are thick pohas. These also we will fry, but in very less quantity. We will just take this much and fry once. See, these will fry and become this much in size. So add less quantity each time. So I'll take the second batch. Just a handful, because these need enough space to puff up. Now these are our fried pohas. So to this we will mix our other ingredients what we have prepared. These are our shave. We will add to this. Just crush a little bit if they are too big ones. I'm adding our bundi to this. First we will mix all this. Now I am adding our groundnuts and roasted gram. We will mix these two again. To a hot pan, I have taken 2 teaspoons of oil. To this, we will add some jeera, turmeric powder, half teaspoon. Red chili powder, I have taken 2 teaspoons. We will mix all this properly. Salt to taste, I have taken 2.5 teaspoons. We will mix all this properly. I am taking little bit of hing also. To this little oil we will add. Mix this properly. This has mixed well now. And here and mix all this well. Mix well. These shave khara mixture. This is very tasty for evening snacks. You can store this up to a month also and keep. So you can make it in more quantity according to your usage and keep it in an airtight container. Adding powdered sugar to this. This is optional. If you are interested, you can add. You can also add amchur powder to this while mixing it with chili and turmeric. You can see it is so colorful. So this is ready now.